thing I will be telling you guys that you guys need, if you're going to be traveling on a train to go to Job Corps, or you're going to be traveling to like on a plane or just on a bus, comfortability is everything. To me, I love comfortability. I feel like I can sleep. And what you would need is a neck rest. These are so cool. You can get them at Walmart. It's really fitting. I love it. It's just, it'll help me with everything. And I just feel like it'll make me comfortable, good to sleep, and then I'll wake up, go into my destination. Another thing, bring a stuffed animal. You can bring a stuffed animal because I just feel that like it's comforting, and mine is actually pretty cool. This is a really great stuffed animal. Just make sure you definitely find comfort within your like stuffed animals, or like you feel like you need a buddy, or you feel like you need a friend, or just a little bit of extra just like comfort in your life. Definitely bring a stuffed animal. It resembles you and resembles just like a extra friend or a buddy on the side whenever you feel alone. Hey, everybody goes through it. Another thing is a speaker. Okay, I'm not saying play it like real loud or just like play it to like where the doors and everything, the whole entire building is rocking. But I mean, if you're a music person, and I mean, if you like to listen to music, and I mean, yeah, turn it on low. I feel like I like listening to music. Music is really cool to me. I love music. I love the swing to the beat and everything, just to get your day a little jump start. Next thing I have is a plant. It's not real, but it makes you feel alive and it makes you feel nice. Most importantly, out of everything that I'm gonna show you guys, is extra mask. You never know, it's still COVID, so wear these masks. You know, I feel like by having extra masks, you might get tired of using the same one might break. You know, sometimes these are kind of cheap masks a little bit, but I feel like bring extra masks because you're always gonna need a mask wherever you go, and anywhere you go, you need a mask. Stay safe and protect others from COVID. Thank you.